Louis's life is a lesson in perseverance. Louis never gave up on the idea that he could get through what he was going through, which is quite extraordinary given how far into extremity he went over his journey. And the thing that is so inspiring about him is that he didn't give that up. And his life became a demonstration of how far a resilient will could carry a man, even when every other aspect of the world was against him.
Well, my name is Louis Zamperini. I'm 93 years old. I was a member of the 1936 Olympics in Berlin, Germany, and a veteran of World War II.